BWT presents the new BWT Perla, Pearl Water Generator, the perfectly designed water softener system. Lime and scale are the ingredients of hard water, the prime reason for faulty appliances, dull plates and cutlery, rough skin, and scruffy laundry. BWT has a whole line of water softener products scalable to any household size. With the new BWT Perla, BWT has introduced a new flagship to this lineup. With a dual-chamber system, soft water supply is constant and uninterrupted. The BWT Perla has a state-of-the-art design. It is compact and ergonomic with elegant lines. The lid automatically opens when pushed. A motion-activated LED informs about the current status whenever a person passes by, and with 3 different options to connect, retrieving data to a computer or mobile has never been easier. If necessary, information can easily be uploaded to a plumber, making maintenance and service faster and more efficient. BWT Perla is ultimate in form and function, a water softener system that puts everything, display, a 2-chamber system, connectivity, and more inside one simple, stylish enclosure. The BWT Perla reduces the degree of general hardness to a super soft level. For the perfect spa feeling at home, for soft skin and silky hair, domestic appliances live longer and laundry is super soft. The new BWT Perla, the pinnacle of water softener evolution.